Okay, this is a 2008 S63. I fully rebuilt the engine, but this problem is still here. I unplugged the MAF sensors just to make sure that those are not the issue. Has a brand new starter battery. I checked all the fuses. There's still a hard start, and brand new crankshaft position sensor. The camshaft sensors are not new, but there's no camshaft position code. In fact, there's no check engine light when it does turn on, and it runs great. I checked the fuel pressure at the rail. Everything looks good there. I had actually had my Mercedes tech friend check the fuel pressure sensor, or the fuel pressure at the rail, and he said that's not the issue. I unplugged the fuel pressure sensor so it can run on default. That didn't change anything. I checked the ground from the starter battery at the positive terminal and the engine, and that was normal. It was grounded. So let's see what it does. Okay. I don't know if you could hear this, but I don't know if you could hear it. Start, it's trying. Come on. Jesus, now it's not even starting. Come on, fire up. Wow, this is pretty bad. All right, we're gonna give the starter a break. It's a brand new starter. Brand new starter. And it's doing that. Let's just go ahead and plug these guys back in. Okay, all that's plugged in. Fuse 21 is good. And that relay is good, so I swapped them. Come on now. Watch, it's gonna fire up. Just kind of. I have no idea what's going on. What the hell? This is actually the worst it's been. Usually it fires right up. All right, so now you got to see that. It fired up now. And, you know, the engine's running. look at this. No check engine light. No check engine light, but it's doing that hard start. If I can get any input help, I'd really appreciate it. Engine is super smooth. All right, I'm gonna shut it off. Watch, it's gonna start right back up. No, maybe not.